Hey, I want to talk to the version of you that's been hiding behind closed doors, behind cluttered corners, behind the phrase, I've just been busy. If you've ever looked around your home and felt embarrassed, ashamed, or even afraid to let someone in, I see you. And I want you to hear this loud and clear. You are not alone. My name is Amanda Haynes, and I'm a professional organizer. I help busy, everyday people clear the clutter and create peaceful, functional homes without judgment, overwhelm, or pressure. Whether you need help with one closet or your entire home, I meet you where you are and guide you toward the space you deserve. Shame doesn't always show up as loud and noticeable. Sometimes it shows up as subtle and whispers. It says, people would think I'm disgusting. If I was a better mom, partner, or adult, I wouldn't let it get like this. I should have fixed this by now. That voice, it's not your truth. It's a story shame keeps trying to tell you. And here's what I've learned, not just as a professional organizer, but as a human being. Shame thrives in silence, secrecy, and self judgment. But it softens when we speak it, when we name it, when we get curious instead of critical. Mess doesn't mean failure, it often means survival. Maybe you've been in a season of caregiving, burnout, grief, depression, or transition. Maybe your space has been carrying things your heart isn't ready to let go of. And that's okay. Your mess is not a moral failure. It's a moment in time, and moments can change. Let's take the shame out of the equation. Here's one thing you can do. Instead of asking, how did it get this bad? Ask, what does this space need from me today? That's it. Not your whole house, not a color-coded miracle, just today. Maybe it's one drawer. Maybe it's making your bed. Maybe it's standing in your kitchen for 5 minutes tossing expired snacks. You don't have to fix everything. You just need to reconnect. Here's the truth. Healing your home is deeply emotional work. It's not just folding towels and stacking bins. It's untangling stories, releasing guilt, and choosing to believe that you're worthy of peace, even before it's perfect. I've worked with people from all walks of life. They all had different messes, but they all had one thing in common. They were ready to stop judging themselves and start creating spaces that felt like them. You deserve that too. If this spoke to something deep in you, I'm so glad we crossed paths. There's nothing wrong with you. You are not your clutter, and your home can still become a space that reflects the love and life you deserve to feel in it. I'm here when you're ready. Until then, breathe deep, one step at a time. You got this.